Welcome everyone for NASDAQ, SPX, Dow Jones, and the US stock special request. We're gonna see some special stocks for analysis today from our Discord member. Of course, as usual, NASDAQ is still, of course, pushing downward. As we mentioned, nothing has changed. We're still potentially in an ABC. I'm I'm suspicious about a wave 4 that it might be very fast here and then pushing directly toward the upside. I doubt that we might range for a long time here. Might be a fast zigzag wave 5 to unfold, especially that the wave 2 is very shallow in time. So we'll see if this is gonna play. Basically, nothing has changed. We're still in the same probabilities and same scenario. Wave 4 as well for SPX has reached already the red zone area here, and we are looking for something to start to push for higher. Probably it can be a little bit extended as well here, where you have a kind of like a double 1 2 in case that this is like double 1 2 3 4 5 4 5. So we gotta be careful. Okay, then we might be in an impulse, but basically, as well, the wave 4 here is very shallow in time. So I'm wondering if this is going to be direct move towards the upside there for SPX. If we take a look also at the MACD, you can see that we started already here a bullish cross from the lowest low there, and after a very long momentum for the bearish, so very likely here to start to push for higher. 15-minute as well, we start to build up here a bullish momentum, yeah, which is not bad at all. But of course, I would prefer to see higher prices, not that very strong momentum. Be careful, because this momentum here as bearish, look how much it has dropped down. Now you get even higher momentum for the bullish, but you still even at 40% of this drop toward the downside. Therefore, of course, meaning the bears are still in control there. Despite that we are in a formation of a bullish cross and everything, you might still, of course, push it downward, especially you still in the lower part of the MACD, meaning, of course, much more bearish pressure there. Yeah, so this is regarding as well SPX. If we take a look also at Dow Jones, for Dow Jones, I'm still there waiting for this red box. I don't know why Dow Jones is very, very slow. You don't need that much. I mean, I don't know why, but it's fine. Still, of course, if alternating this wave 2 time is still perfect. And of course, we still need to hit that red box before any push toward the upside. So this is an intraday. No probabilities has changed. Same scenario, same everything. For the intraday, actually, we're gonna go for some stock request here for our member. So Alexandru, or before there is Kobe here asking for Intel. I think Intel. So INTC for Intel Corporation. All right. So for Intel, we are already, oh, we hit the target already, wave 5 there. We are in 1 2 3, yeah, a very clear finished impulse there. We hit our target, and we push down impulsively here. We're still looking for this correction over there, and it looks like this correction is your wave 2 here. Yeah, okay, let's put the label there. Then we're testing a wave 2, 1 2, and then 3 4 and a 5 here for Intel in case of an extension. So basically, this means, of course, you're still bearish here, right? You're still looking for lower. It's not done yet, and you need, of course, this 0.38. Yes, it is right. All right. Let's just check before going to another one. I just want to see the all-time history. Oh, yes. Yes, we need that. Definitely. We need that wave 2. Here we go. So this is what I'm expecting here for wave C, wave 5. So I'm expecting an impulse. That means 1 2 3 4 5. This is exactly what I wanted to check to be on the right direction here. Yes. So I'm expecting wave 2, guys. Okay. For Intel, we'll see if this is gonna happen. Let's see the next one. This is Intel. Alexandru, XRAY. All right. XRAY. Then SIRONA. All right. No, not bad. Okay. I thought this will be only the thing. Yeah, not bad chart. I mean, direction is upward impulsively. 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay, so you have double one, two, three, four, and a five, full wave five in brackets one, two, three, four, five, and then you still have a large one, two, three, four, and a five. This is your round. Yeah, so this is what we are looking for here. If we take also the fib level from wave two here at the top, wave four as a minimum target, there you are. Exactly, this is what I'm looking for. Taking from the 2 to the wave 3 here, you're looking also at an A, B, and a C there. That it might be finished. Be careful because the wave C has to be a 1, 2, okay, 1, 4, and a 5. So potentially has a little bit here, 4 and a 5, but be careful. It can internally directly be finished here because the wave 2 is shallow, meaning 4, 5, and then directly pushing for higher. Okay. Target for this wave 5 can be the following targets. So wave 5 over 1. Here we go. This is your path. So wave 5 and you go up. So we're going to put this already bullish because, yeah. $82, $100, very psychological at 1 to 1 Fibonacci level. I believe the 100 will be taken for this chart. All right. That was for X-ray. Okay. CK, hi KG, thanks. You're very welcome, buddy. Actually meant SILEX Systems, SLX. Oh, that was the last one. I should have been more clear on that. No worries. SLX SILEX system. Let's see. Okay, this one. Oh yeah. We did the Van X Steel at that time. So yeah, they have both same abbreviations. That's weird. Oh, buddy, I'm very sorry, man, to see that. So it's not a really nice chart because, yeah, it is a correction. I mean, you can be here potentially in a new psychology, but we don't know yet. It's not yet confirmed. Why? Because you need a confirmed impulse to be done and finished. This is not yet confirmed. You didn't took the high even, so not recommended. It can be an A, B, and a C pushing down again. All right, so be careful. I don't like it at all. It's not a healthy one. You can just invest simply in something much more healthy. And this is what we always do in our community. We push towards much more healthier trading, much more healthier chart, right? Shafi, hello, buddy. Good morning. Could I request a Goldman Sachs? Yes. Yes. All right. So for Goldman, we already reached our target blue zone area here in double precision. Very nice to see all those hits. Very nice. So basically, wave 5 was a little bit even more extended. It has, wow, transformed the ending diagonal expected to an expanding diagonal. That's very nice to see things how it makes the transition even during this move. Very nice. So we finished a wave 3 here, basically in the blue count, and we're looking for a wave 4. Wave 4 currently is a little bit higher based on the wave 2 there. So we're looking for a wave 4 minimum target. Here we are. $475. You gotta be careful. Yes, we might drop very fast here. Okay. Yeah. So basically, we have finished a 1, 2, 3. Let me just recap. Oh yes, that's very true. Okay, yeah, everything is fine. The count is totally right. 1, 2, wave A or a large wave 1, of course, is also possible. So you can be in a large. 1 second. Oh, it's a new psychology. Sorry, the new psychology here. There you go. This one. So yes, it is 1, 2. So let's put this in round then. If this is the main scenario, and this is your brackets blue, there go. So we're looking for a major wave 4. This wave 4, of course, that might come back to the $475 and then pushing for higher again. Now, if you don't trust it so much, you can go in no logarithmic fib level. So yeah, let's do that. By the way, let's test the, oh, even I didn't put that is a deep target. We need a, sorry, the perfect target for wave 4. There we are. Okay, sorry. That was different. That was a deep target before, but first we need to test the 0.23, not 0.38 directly. Well, we have the, oh Jesus, what a number. um 666. So this is your wave 4 and a 5. Okay, to have a wave 3, then 4 and a 5. Okay, so this is exactly our target. So yes, that's normal for me. For before it was like a little bit suspicious, and I doubt that even that it goes deeper. So I believe that the 0.23 is much more likely for Goldman Sachs. Yeah. But yeah, basically a possible move is done there. Okay, for this impulse. All right, Alex, pass. You're very welcome. All right, pass. UI pass. Come on, give us more. No, nothing. That was it. Sorry, buddy. That says a failure. Very simple. Sorry, man. Not recommended. Stay away. MSTR for Tack. I'm gonna call Tack because Tash. I don't know if that is is right. So MSTR. We'll see. MicroStrategy. For MicroStrategy, we're looking as well for something pushing stuff higher here. At the end, I mean, in the macro level. Okay, it's not that bad, but yeah, from my point of view, I don't really trust it so much. By the way, this is a count for the daily. So we're still, of course, pushing for something for higher. It can be like several 1, 2, and then this is your wave 3 here. Still unfolding internally because the wave 3 internally is a 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and a 5, where you might finish, of course, is this wave 3, right? So basically, you would like to see that 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But I still a little bit suspicious about it because we barely took the high here. I'm afraid that from the A, B, and a C expanding flat. So be careful from it. I know that this is related so much to Bitcoin, guys, as a stock, but for me, fundamentally, I don't find the relation, and I don't find the relationship between Bitcoin. And I mean, despite that the company holds a large amount of Bitcoin, but can this company sustain if Bitcoin drops, for example? I mean, Bitcoin is a currency, right? It's a currency, it's a cryptocurrency that it's still there. It's not going to anywhere at the end. So the value will still there. It can go up and down, but does a company can sustain when Bitcoin drop very, very low? It depends on their strategy, of course, but yeah, we gotta be careful. I prefer, I mean, if this is like Bitcoin, it should be something really much more different, right? Not with a large risk of an expanding flat. Okay, this is just a point of view. I'm not saying that it's very bearish or something, but just a point of view. Yeah, like a little bit from a logic perspective. Now, internally, we might be in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 is not yet finished. And obviously, this is a triangle, and we still need to drop this wave 5. The target is still the same. So I'm still waiting for that drop down here, $64. Okay, this is what I'm looking for internally. We'll see. And invalidation should not be taken because if the invalidation is taken, then it will be a question mark again, meaning it's not allowed to interfere with the zone 1, right? So if the price drop to here, it's done, it's gone, and something is not right for this stock, right? So invalidation of bullish, or there is a large red flag. Great. So that's for MicroStrategy. Kami asking for Euro USD. Please, I'm not sure if you do Forex. We do Forex as well. This is what the channel banner say. But normally, the request about Forex is not so much like, I mean, some people love it, ask for it, but when you request it, I'm able to. With pleasure. All right, so this is wave two there for a euro. We're waiting for that. But basically, we started to bounce here even before it. That's very interesting. Or we forgot actually. Yeah, that was an old. Yeah, that was an old fib level without taking the high. So we need here to update. So wave two, actually, even it's a very old presentation. Wave two as a minimum target. There you go. So yeah, if this is our wave two here unfolding, um, I'm expecting anyway an expanding flat here because this is a three ways down, three ways up, and then one, two, and oh, be careful from one, two, three, four, five. All right. So yeah, it can still be looking for one more low despite the move towards the upside here for the euro. That's nice to see. No offense for the dollar, but I'm a euro supporter at the end. So yeah, here we go. Um, Basically, where can be, of course, one more low. Um, in grosso modo here, our in macro level, we are in double one two. All right, like 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 towards the towards the upside. So very interesting. I'm looking for the 1.618. So by the way, I mentioned like since a long time, I would say like 1 year ago, and when forex was part of the previous channel. Um, that I'm looking for this one-to-one Fibonacci level here, regular flat. So I'm looking for a large irregular flat here, A, B, and a C. This wave C, of course, is taken from the A to the B to the C there, yeah, to fill this green. So I'm looking for kind of like a bull run, yeah, for the euro here. We're looking for 1.6 again, same as it was in 2008. Yeah, that's very nice. All right, that was for the euro. So yeah, potentially we might get something higher. Hi KG from Aich. Can we see the bearish case for Sandis? I know we say we are in a bullish side, but what is the bearish case? It's just a correction of a wave four. I believe the last time, of course, what we did, but when that is bearish, I would say that is bearish. Look, you have to look at it with the stock from different perspectives. It's not cryptocurrency here with the stocks, all right? It's totally different. Um, wh- and that's why I always analyze only the impulsive chart because that is very rare case of bearish, you know? And this is what I seek for always to give you the best charts. So you don't have to be very insistent to have a very bearish scenario because I would have give it to you if that is one. But of course, you can have a very bearish one if you want to be like very dovish here. Like you have three ways up, down, three ways up here, and you push towards the downside in a regular flat again, or WX and Y, meaning three ways down again. But from where I bring that for you, where that's why I love such a charts, which are impulsive, where it shows you the correction in a very shallow one, right? So you already finished the largest correction in history for SanDisk. So why you wanna be bearish, buddy? Right? So that's the thing. I know that you don't know my ideology here, but yeah, I'm just saying, buddy. No offense, but yeah, I get a little bit like um not offended, but I get like, I mean, guys, it's a stock, you know, like stocks are much more impulsive, and we look always for the impulsive one. So why you wanna waste your time with bearish and my time? I'm sorry, but yeah, it's sometimes I like to bring the things to be much more clearer, especially if we are in one direction. Okay, when you are in one direction, you don't look for bearish, right? You look for corrections. Okay, and especially when you say bearish, bearish, you mean like, okay, I'm gonna fail the stock, I'm gonna destroy that company, whatever you're doing. This is bearish. But when you say correction, that's different, right? So the correction is done, and plus the double one two is still playing nice. I mean, currently you are in a correction. We're looking for this correction wave four, as I mentioned, right? So yeah, That's the thing. So try to. I'm not like pushing on you, but try to think differently about stocks from cryptocurrency, from gold and silver. It's totally different. Okay. Now we see sometimes like stock simply failing because, in my point of view, the stocks should be always impulsive toward the upside. Only if the company is doing well. If the company is not doing well, then it's simply a failure, right? There is no that a company that can do well or not, whether it is a failure or whether it push for higher, right? So when a company fails, then okay, it's gonna show a bearish scenario, like I don't know, Nvidia get bankruptcy. And so you will see like a large candle from the top to the down, but that is bearish. Okay, that is a failure. This is my opinion about stocks. So try to change the idea regarding stock. It's not Bitcoin, it's not gold or silver. All right. Um, that's why I love stocks as well. All right, guys. So that was it for the special request. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.